Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I wanted to come on and show you my finished doily book that Miss Maggie White taught me how to make. So I did go ahead and changed out my flower on one of the pages and did all my embellishments, so I did want to come on and show it to you finished. So I will keep it far away for a minute and I will just show you all the dangles. And there's lots of them. It's just hard to see it when it's laying down, but there are a lot of them. And you can just see by how chunky the book is. So I'm very pleased with how my first book turned out. I'm very excited. I still might want to put some lace around the front piece and the back piece in between. We'll see. I kind of like it this way now that it's sat for a while. So I haven't really decided, but I will go ahead and bring it in closer and show you each page. And I can't get any closer, so I think I need to just bring my webcam down. I'm going to move you guys just a little bit for a second, so bear with me. Hopefully this will work. Let me adjust it a little bit, and then I can bring it up to you. All right, sorry about that. And I have this here because, see, bright light, and it's not even pointing at it, so I don't know why it does that. So I will just bring it up here and show you. So of course this is my first page, and I did it in a lavender, and all my images are round. And from what Maggie taught me, you want to bring your appliques and snippets and stuff around your image instead of just framing out your image. So that's what I tried to do while I was working on this book, and there are just appliques everywhere. There's flower ones here and this big gorgeous one here, and it actually comes down the page a little bit here. And then I have this piece of one hanging here and a leaf, and this is a rolled rose that I made. And then we have some more appliques coming up. So it's just filled with appliques all over, and then there are just layers of dangles on here, different sizes. And these are the longer ones, and at the ends of them are these little bitty you guys can't even see these little bitty rhinestones in they're not a brown. I can't think of what color that is, but it's very pretty. So you have that, and then you have the leaves right there, and I think that goes to the other side. Am I to the other side yet? Nope, those, and then it must go to the other side. Yep. So that's all the dangles on this side. And then I put on some flat back pearls and these little bitty purple rhinestones on the flowers to bring out the purple in the picture. And then there's little bitty, I don't know if you guys can see them. There's little bit, let me adjust this just a little bit. I seem to have to do this for this to work. There we go. Is that right? Yep. There's some little bitty clay flowers, not clay, resin flowers on here, little tiny ones. And then I put some flat back pearls here. And I think that's a little too close. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with my left hand. It's kind of hard. Let me back it up just a bit. All right, let's try it with my right hand. Hold on one second, guys. I gotta adjust this just a little bit. There we go. That should be, oh yeah, there we go. And then I put some on all the flowers, and then this beautiful purple flower, and it's got like this, it's like a sparkle on the inside in different colors, but it's really pretty, and Maggie gave me those. So there are pieces all over this from different places. I think there's some stuff from Trisha on here from A Little Shabby Chic. Hi, Trisha. Some stuff from Neri on here from DC Scrap and Rooster. Hi, Neri. And Maggie, of course. Hi, Mags, and the one who taught me how to make it. And there's probably some pieces on here from KS for You. Hi, Jules. So it's kind of loaded all over with stuff from everybody from all different things. And then on this applique, I don't know if you can see it, but I went ahead and put bling, little bitty rhinestones on each little petal there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's there. When I turn my head, I can't see through my glasses, which is so weird. And then this piece with the beads on it. Just I wanted to add some creams and stuff in here just to offset the white and give some contrast and color. Oh, and then there is this beaded dangle piece right here, and it's on this beautiful Venice lace right there. So that's the first page. And then you turn it, and we have this gorgeous, this one I did in mostly whites and creams on this page because I wanted to take from the images just very muted. And there are, again, we have appliques all over, just kind of layering one on top the other to frame around the picture. I did put some, and these are like diamond-shaped stones all in her necklace here, around her neck. And then there are flat back pearls and sequins on all of these flowers. And then there is some pearl trim running through here. It runs around through here and under here, and it comes under here and over here. And then I have this beautiful applique piece with the bling, and this has a little bit of color in it, just to bring some color into the page. And then underneath it is this gorgeous, beautiful, long applique with the flowers on it. And then we have this dangle trim with these beads on it right here. And there are 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. And then under that, there is another dangle trim right here. And I love this one. I just think, look at that design on there. And then I put flat back pearls on the center of all of these. And then underneath that one is my go-to one that I use a lot on everything. And I just do it in different colors. And I think I tea stained this one. And it's beautiful. And then the leaves. Let's see if I can get to them, which I love this. I love the really long dangles like this, the leaves. So that's that. So now if I pull this away, it's going to get blurry. So I'm just going to kind of keep it up close. So that is that page. And then you'll see there's just different pieces sticking out all the way around it. So then we get to this one, and I love this image. And she is a very, I want to call this like a bronze or a copper color. It's just a beautiful image. So around this one, I went with those colors. I put these flat back pearls in like this copper brown color, but it pulls from the picture perfectly. And then put this little butterfly with the dangle and put some little pearls on it, and that flat back pearl. And then this beautiful bling piece. It is an older piece, and in the center, I put that little resin flower. And then I used this resin flower, and it's like rimmed in gold, and I just think it fit the picture. It just pulled out the color. And a lot of these I tea stained or coffee stained. This one, and they're different shades. So, and then just again kind of framed around the picture with all of the different appliques and tucked in some just so it framed around the picture. And here's another applique. And I haven't glued everything down all the way yet because I didn't know if I wanted to put lace back there, but I think I'm going to leave it out. And this this beautiful applique here, I think this came from Neary. And I love the ones with the dangles. And then again, we have this gorgeous long applique with flowers. And then I just put that little pearl flower on there. It's like little bitty pearls stacked in a circle. And then this gorgeous applique right here. I love this one. I did the same thing here. I put the little pearl and then this applique. So I just kind of layered appliques one on top of the other. And then when you go underneath, we have this beautiful dangle trim. And I know one's got to be coffee. I'm not sure, but man, it sure is shimmery, isn't it? Can you guys see how shimmery that is? It's beautiful. And then I have the little fan ones, which I absolutely love. Those are beautiful. Love that trim. And then I think that's it for that side. Oh no, and then I put this beautiful piece right here. Sometimes I like to use this instead of dangles. So I put that beautiful piece. And sorry if I keep going out of frame. I feel like I'm past my camera. And then of course this gorgeous long dangle trim right here, which is absolutely beautiful. On that one. And then, oh, one more piece yet. Is this side? Yep, this is still this side, and just another piece, and it's got a rose on it. So that's that page. And I keep saying I love this page. I love this page. I think I love them all. Maggie did a really awesome job of teaching me how to do this. And I actually did it pretty quick. All right, so then we come to the flower page, and I did change this. I had some tulle behind here, and it just didn't fit. So I actually took the flower off and just put some cheesecloth behind it. And then I took this um, I think it was a necklace, and it's kind of wound. It's not actually braided, it's just kind of wound. So I ran that like up and down and around through this flower. And then behind it, I added some more flower appliques here and here, and then again with my trims. This one I really didn't put dangles on this side. Oh yeah, this one is actually on this side, this long dangle. And then just some little pieces of lace and stuff coming out, and some more appliques with flatback pearls. So I really like the way the flower page turned out. So that's the flower page. Then we get to this one, and I love this one because of the image. She's got like butterflies around her, and she's more like a gypsy. But I really love the image, so I kind of went with that theme on this page and pulled the blues. So I use this beautiful stone that's got the blues in it. In there. I'm crooked holding it, but it's straight for you looking at it, so I don't know why. And then this beautiful piece right here. I know this came from Neri. This gorgeous piece right here with all these pearls and sequins on it, and I just wrapped at the image and put this. This is another little piece with the twirls just kind of going around the image, and you'll see different stuff underneath. And then some more like applique pieces, or I cut this out of something and I just cut out the flower. And then this gorgeous one that I believe I tea dyed or coffee dyed. I don't know which one. It's hard to tell the difference for me once I've done it, especially if I don't keep them somewhere marked that way. And you'll just see it. It's just kind of layered with different items sticking out in different places. And then underneath, I put another beautiful applique right there. I just think it fit with the picture. And I know the colors you're seeing are not, they're different. It's not yellow like that. I know it's looking a yellowish orange, but it's not. It's beautiful. And then underneath that, I put this. And I call it it's almost like a peacock to me. It's beautiful. And then this one, which is one of my favorites. And then, of course, my go-to. Love this one. With the dangles. And then I think that one's on the other side. Oh, no, it's still this side, and this one has these long dangles on it. This is really hard to show and hold up like this. So then we get to the next page, which is the pocket page. And I did my pocket. It's not crooked. I actually did it on an angle like that. It's supposed to be kind of on an angle. And then I cut out this piece and kind of just wrapped it up and around and put those little bitty blings all in here. And then put these little buttons on here. I just thought they fit the page perfectly on top this applique with some flatback pearls. And this beautiful piece. And again, I added a bunch of little bling to the little pieces on there. And this beautiful star flower, I call it. And then, of course, we have this gorgeous dangle. And I believe this came from, I want to say this came from Trisha. It's hard for me to remember. A lot of them, I just can tell you whose bags I know I grabbed from. So I know the ones I named, their stuff is in here. And then again, I put those beautiful rhinestones. And I just love the way that these are cut. And then the color. And then put flatback pearls all over that. So that's that page. And that is just the pocket page. And then we come to the last image page. And this one had the pinks in it, so I wanted to pull from the pinks. So I added this piece of applique. And then this one I actually colored myself. I sat and mixed my color on my table and just kind of rubbed it through it on the glass mat. But this is another one of those beautiful appliques from Neri. And that's really pretty. And put that little piece of pearl bling and there. And then I put on a bow with another little bow bling in there. or pearl bow. Keep saying bling. And then, of course, this one's got, this one I did the dangles on an angle, which is something Maggie taught me. And this beautiful piece that was also tea dyed. I love these. So underneath, and you have to kind of lift up to get under here. So I'm going to try and do this down here. So you have that one underneath, and it's probably blurry right now because I'm far away. And then these are all going on an angle, coming out on an angle. It just makes the book fuller, as Maggie would put it, because this isn't something I would have done. But she said to do them on an angle. And then, of course, we have that gorgeous color again. And then these white ones. And then, of course, the really long ones. So that's the last image page, and then we come to the back of the book. So the back, I just kind of did flowers on here and along some long dangle pieces. Look at that piece. Is that not beautiful? I love that. And I added some bling here. I call that bling because it's very shimmery. And the flat back pearl. And then we have this gorgeous long dangle piece with the flower. And then I put that piece underneath. And then I took this gorgeous rose applique and put leaves under each side of it. And then put some little flowers with that little bling on it again. I don't know if you can see that. And then this beautiful rose that's, I want to say this is resin. It looks, it's some kind of acrylic or resin. And that's it. So yeah, I think I might want to just put a light lace around the back one and the front one. And then I just put it all together with seam binding. And then I added this little key and this little birdhouse. And that is my doily book. And I absolutely love it. And I love the way it turned out. It's so, I mean, it's got so many dangles. It is so chunky and just so beautiful. I mean, look at all those dangles. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. So I did just want to come on and share the finished book with you ladies and gents, and say thank you very much, Maggie, for teaching me how to do this. I really appreciate it. I cannot wait to make another one and see if I can do it on my own. I'm sure I can, because you're an awesome teacher and you taught me so much. So thank you very much for teaching me how to make this. And this book will be going up for sale in Maggie's group, and I'm sure I will post it in my group as well. So if you are interested, you will find it there. And if not, just PM me and let me know. And I will, I'll talk to you then. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate all your support and encouragement, and you guys all inspire me so much. So thank you all very much. I hope you have a great evening, and I can't wait to get on to my next project. So thank you all for watching. Have a great evening. Don't forget to get out there and create something, and we will see you all soon. Bye for now.